Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Kraken account's password. If you've forgotten your password for Kraken or simply want to create a new one, you can reset it easily using Kraken's secure recovery process. First of all, launch open the Kraken application on your device and tap on Sign In from the welcome screen. After you go to the Sign In tab, go ahead and enter your email or username followed by your password. But in case you've forgotten your password, just tap on the Forgot Password link at the bottom. On the next page, write down your email address that is associated with your Kraken account. After you are done, click Continue. And you'll need to check your email inbox. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and you'll receive a password reset email. Open up the email that you received from Kraken where it says reset your password, and now click on create new password option. This will take you to the create new password field where you can enter your new password you want to change to. After you do that, re-enter the password once again and finally click on I acknowledge box at the bottom and click save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to reset your password to a new one, click on sign in, and next time, enter your new password while logging into your account. And there you have it. That is how you can easily reset your Kraken account's password if you've ever forgotten it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.